Do you remember this controversial dress? Was it black and blue or white and gold? Now, what about this new shoe debate? What colors do you see? It's crazy that we can see drastically different pictures of the exact same image, and it has to do with something called color constancy. Maybe first we should explain why objects have color in the first place. So white light, like the sun, and yes, the sun is actually white, just another optical illusion created by our wonderful atmosphere. Now white light has all colors within it, so that's why when you use a prism or a rain droplet, you get a pretty colorful rainbow. Now most objects will absorb sunlight while reflecting others. Take leaves or grass, for example. Most of it will absorb the red-blue light and reflect green that we see. And yes, that is right, the primary colors of light are red, blue, and green. So my blue jeans here are absorbing the red-green light and reflecting blue right back into your eyes. Now, black objects absorb all light, so this is why black objects get so hot when they sit in the sun. You can watch this video here by SciShow. The blackest object in the world is so black. How black is it? It's so black that you almost can't even see it. It's really cool. You gotta watch it. Our eyes take in a lot of information from what it sees, and then that information is processed in the visual system of our brain as it tries to figure out the reality of what you're actually seeing. For instance, if you were to place a red apple under a blue light, it's going to have a bluish tint. But if your brain knows that there's a blue light, it will try to extract that blue out of the image that you're seeing. So then it will try to find the true picture of the red apple. Now, most likely, this is what happened if you saw the dress as white and gold. Your brain assumed that there is a window nearby, so the blue light from the sky is reflecting on the dress. So your mind tried to take that blue light out of the image, leaving you with the white and gold. Now, if you saw black and blue, then your brain probably assumed that there is a yellowish ceiling light shining on the dress, and your mind took the yellow out of the image, leaving you with the black and blue. Now, the dress itself was actually black and blue. What color did you see? Now, with the shoe, some people say that if you see the teal and gray, that you use your left brain more. And if you don't know, your left brain has more to do with facts and logic, like with math. If you see the pink and white, then you use your right brain more, and this has to do with creativity and imagination, like with art. Now, there is no science behind this, so let me know down in the comments below. Do you agree with this? Are you seeing the color that you would think you would? Now, to get a better understanding, let's look at this optical illusion. Looking at the picture, it appears that the balls are red, green, or blue. But actually, if you stare at each individual ball, you will realize that all of them are the exact same tan color. Your eyes take in information, but your brain processes this information based on your knowledge and past experiences. So we perceive things differently. And this is proof. And that is a very important lesson here, and something that you should keep in mind, because it's not just about color. It has to do with light, sound, political opinions. Anything that your brain takes in, it decides what you see, hear, and believe. And sometimes it doesn't really matter how true it actually is. So be open, be understanding, and I will see you next time. Bye!